Hey everyone, this is the PlantStock channel. My name is Jesse, and on this channel, we focus mainly on plant-based stocks and companies. Today, we're just going to take a quick look at the recent news from the Very Good Food Company regarding their $13.2 million raise in capital, and we will also talk about what that might mean for the near-term future. But first, let's take a look at the stock charts and the recent activity. Now, when we take a look at Very in the Canadian SEC, we could see here from about Wednesday the 25th that has gone up here a lot, and it's actually about 115%. And when we take a look at the O2C in American dollars, ticker symbol VRYYF, it's the same change that we see basically here. So this means that if you started investing before the 25th of November, you would have made at least a home run by now. Yesterday, the company announced that they have just raised $13.2 million in a bought deal public offering. These net proceeds, according to the company, is intended to be used in their Rupert facility in Vancouver that is supposed to get going in the beginning of the next year. They also plan to use the money for other general corporate purposes. This is something that their CEO, Mitchell Scott, seems very pleased with. As he states, "We are thrilled to see investor confidence continually increase as we expand the scope of our operations and outline a path for future growth. Demand from wholesale and e-commerce customers continue to grow, and this financing will help us launch the Rupert facility, our most significant near-term avenue for increasing production volume. As we focus on scaling the business, we are building the executive team, infrastructure, and capital to do so effectively. And as many might know by now, that will be a huge deal for the company's expansion plans, considering that this facility will increase the overall volume with almost 10x. At their current Victoria facility, they have increased to about 572,000 pounds of product per year and hoping to soon reach 1.375 million per year. With the Vancouver facility, with max production, they hope to reach about 5 million pounds extra per year. That is excluding the Victoria facility. This is obviously under perfect conditions, yet I don't think it is at all impossible, considering the huge demand that is sought both by a lot of retail stores and people ordering online. There are 50 plus wholesale customers in the waiting list, and it could be more since this was last updated. Personally, I think this is very promising news and a smart strategic move. Even though diluting the shares might sound like bad news for an investor, in my opinion, it is quite the opposite. In the long term, it will benefit the company's expansion into the US and benefit anyone going long term with this stock. Nothing unusual. Tesla did it recently, and the Very Good Food Company did their last dilution just 6 months ago. By increasing their capital, they won't only be able to fund their expansion plans with their facilities, focus more on marketing, but they will also be able to fund their research and development plans. In prior interviews, the CEO has disclosed that one of their overall plans for the future is to improve their production capacity and make it more efficient, in an effort to make their products more and more affordable. The end goal here is to make it more inexpensive compared to traditional meat products, which is, in my opinion, would mean game over. The Very Good Food Company meat alternatives would then appeal to a much larger consumer base, and their revenues would fly to the moon. Well, that was it for today, guys. I hope you found some value in today's video. If you want to be kept updated on similar news about Very or other plant-based companies, please feel free to subscribe. Also, if you want to help spread this message to a larger audience, I would really appreciate it if you smash that like button. As always, I am not a financial advisor. The things that I've stated in this video are my personal opinions and thoughts. Do with them as you please. Thank you for today. Hope to see you soon. Peace out.